Elementary School to donate school supplies and cleaning materials in heed for the school's Brigada Escuela program. We have been doing this for the past years, and together with Empower and Robinson Self Foundations, ito kami ngayon, magmimigay kami sa 200 students to give them joy and to empower them to continue with their dreams and to inspire them.
Maraming salamat po, Robinson's Our Escuela!
Sa Tanzang Luma Elementary School sa Imus para maghandog ng Our Escuela school supplies at cleaning materials.
Maraming salamat to our partners, Robinson's Lands. I hope we can join more partners under Empower to join the I Empower project and join this very much worthy cause for all our Filipino children who are undergoing their school year for 2024 and 2025. So we need as much help as we can, and hopefully we can have more partners join us in the future.
Sa Tanzang Luma, ang mga bata ang bida!
To our escuela of our love, Robinson's Foundation, thank you so much for the support. We're lucky enough as a recipient of this program during our Brigada Escuela. Lubos pong nagpapasalamat po talaga ang buong pamunuan ng paaralan. Hindi po matatawaran ang mga blessings na ibinibigay niyo po sa amin yearly. Kulang po ang word na pasasalamat para po ito ay naging successful taon-taon. Maraming salamat po ulit, and God bless us all.
Thank you, our love!